Okay, my two punch that I made. Punch that I made. Okay. Hey, yay. Sarap-sarap niyan. Ito, mga juice na ginawa ko. Yan, oh, healthy with whole fruits. Yan ang assistant ko. Si ate ko from the Philippines. Thank you for cooking and cleaning. Yan. Visitor from Philippines.
Yeah.
Yan, pomegranate. Oh, masarap din yan. Healthy rin tong pomegranate. Oh.
Bukas ko na lang yan, Kwan. Aalisan ng buto.
Buto.